Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel. I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video we'll teach you how to install Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. If you have laptop or PC that does not meet the minimum requirement of Windows 11, those two requirements are TPM and Secure Boot. Even then you can install Windows 11. So watch this video complete and you have to follow each and every step very carefully. So first step, you have to open any browser. After opening google.com, here you have to search Win2HDD. You have to type this one and you have to click on search. Here you will see the first link. You have to click on it. After opening the site, here you will see download tab. You have to click on it and you have to download and install this software. After downloading, you have to open the software and you have to click on install. And then you will see an update of this software. You have to click on OK. Now we'll move toward the second step. You need Windows 11 ISO file. Now here you will see four options. You have to select the first option, reinstall Windows. You have to click on it. And then here you will see at the top tab image file. Now you have to go to the destination folder where you have saved Windows 11 ISO image file. After opening the image file, here you will see Windows 64-bit or 32-bit options as per your PC or laptop. So we'll select Windows Professional 64-bit. Click on next. Now here you don't have to touch anything. You just have to click on next. A pop-up notification will appear. You have to click on yes. Again a pop-up message will appear. You have to click on yes. So once you will click on yes, your system will restart automatically and it will start installing Windows 11. Here you can see Windows 11 installation process is started. Here you can see we have successfully installed Windows 11 on our unsupported hardware. So in the same way you can also install Windows 11 even if your PC or laptop is not supported. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.